Hello everyone, my name is Ravindra Arne from MSc First Zoology. In this video, we are going to teach about isoenzyme and coenzyme. First of all, we are seeing here what is the isoenzyme. Actually, we are seeing here what are the isoenzymes and how they are formed. What is the actual definition of isoenzyme? The definition is physically different form of enzyme which catalyze the reaction, or isoenzyme is nothing but group of enzyme that catalyze the same reaction but have different form of enzymes which having catalytic efficiency. Now here I am going to explain the meaning of isoenzyme by taking an example of cricketers. Here LDH1 and LDH2 both are physically different, but the function of both is same, that is the catalyze the reaction. Comparing with the both batsmen, one is Sachin and another is Ganguly. One is right handed and one is left handed. Both are physically different, but the function of them is same, that is scoring the run. That's it about the LDH1 and LDH2, both physically different, but they catalyze the same reaction. Now we are seeing how different form of enzymes are formed. Formation of enzyme we are seeing by an example of CK1 and CK2. That's it. Different form of same enzyme are synthesized from various tissue. Let's see the example. The example is CK1 is formed in brain and CK2 is formed in the heart. Both are formed in different tissue but they catalyze the same reaction. Different combination of polypeptide subunit to form an active polymeric enzyme. During their synthesis, these subunits arises from the different loci. Example, creatine kinase has two subunits, that is M means muscle and second is B means brain. Combination of two subunits, that is muscle and brain, result in formation of three types of isoenzyme, that is CK1, CK2 and CK3. During the synthesis of these units are formed at different loci or loci. Example, the M subunit of creatine kinase is product of loci in chromosome number 14, whereas B subunit of creatine kinase is product of loci in chromosome number 19. So this is all about the isoenzyme. Now we are seeing here coenzyme. What is coenzyme? A substance that enhance the action of enzyme. They cannot themselves catalyze a reaction, but they can help enzyme to do so. That means coenzyme is a substance which is not contribute in the reaction for catalyzing, but it help enzyme to do so. That means it helps the reaction to catalyze. Now we are seeing example of coenzymes, that is NAD, second is adenine dinucleotide phosphate, that is NADP, and third is flavin adenine dinucleotide, that is FAD. These three enzymes are involved in oxidation or hydrogen transfers. Another is enzyme is CoA, that is involves in the transfer of acyl group. Now, what is the actual role or function of coenzymes? Here, coenzymes play a role in the function of cells. That is, coenzymes in turn support the function of enzymes. They loosely bind to enzymes to help them complete their activities. Coenzymes are non-protein organic molecules that facilitate the catalysis or reaction of its enzymes. So thank you for watching video.